In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to set up the Yotpo SMS and email marketing Shopify app as a beginner. If you're new to Shopify or to marketing automation tools in general, setting up the right apps can feel a bit daunting, but fear not, because I'm here to walk you through the process. Let's start from your Shopify admin dashboard. This is your main control center where all the magic happens for your online store. Look over to the left-hand panel, which is your navigation menu. You'll want to find and click on the option labeled Apps. This is where all your installed apps live and where you can find new ones to add even more functionality to your site. Once you click on Apps, you'll see a search function at the top of that page. You're going to type in Yotpo into this search bar. Yotpo is a comprehensive platform known for its effective marketing solutions, which can be a fantastic addition to improve your customer engagement through SMS and email. After you search for Yotpo, you should see it pop up in the results. Click on it to go to the app's dedicated page. Here on the app page, you'll find more detailed information about what Yotpo offers, including reviews and additional features it can provide for your store. It's always a good idea to have a quick read through this to ensure it suits your needs. Next, you'll see a button that says Install. Go ahead and click that. The installation process is typically straightforward and won't take long, just a couple of moments. Once the installation is complete, you'll see a confirmation message letting you know that Yotpo is now part of your suite of apps. With the app installed, it's time to move on to the setup process. After installation, the app itself will guide you through setting it up for your Shopify store. This is likely to involve logging in or creating a Yotpo account if you don't have one already. Follow the on-screen prompts carefully. These steps are designed to help configure the app's settings to align with the specific needs of your business. Take your time with these settings, as this is where you'll tailor the app's features to best suit your marketing strategy. Testing different approaches can help find what works best for you. And that's all there is to it. With Yotpo installed and set up, you've taken a significant step towards enhancing your marketing efforts using the integration of SMS and email campaigns. This app will help foster better communication with your customers and drive greater engagement with your brand. Remember, consistent and thoughtful messaging can make a big difference. Thanks for watching, and happy marketing.